Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Regrob.com, and today in this video we are at Supertech Sports Village project, which is located in Noida Extension. As here in this video you can see, the project is surrounded by greenery. So now here in this video we'll give you the interior view of a sample villa. So here you can take the exterior view of villa. And now we are moving towards the entrance gate and we'll give you the interior view. So this we have entered into the villa. And here comes the living room. The spacious living room, skillfully designed. Here is the modular kitchen. The spacious kitchen with fantastic interior work. And just next to the kitchen, this we have the servant room. Here is the washroom. And now we have entered into the bedroom area. Which is having an attached balcony. Here you can see the dressing area, the wardrobes, and this is an attached washroom with this bedroom. Here you can see the staircase, and now we are moving upstairs towards the first floor. And we have reached on the first floor, and here you can see the living area. Very well crafted. Here is the washroom. on the first floor. And now we are moving towards the master bedroom. And here you can see the spacious bedroom which is having an attached balcony. Here you can see the dressing area, the wardrobe section with various drawers. And this is an attached washroom with this master bedroom. We are moving towards the balcony area. So here you can see the wide balcony. From here you can take the outside view of the society. Here is another bedroom which is also having an attached balcony. Over there you can see the wardrobe section. Now this is another bedroom on the first floor. The spacious bedroom, very well crafted, which is also having an attached balcony. As here you can see the wide balcony. Here is the dressing area. And here is an attached washroom. And now we are moving towards the second floor. So friends, we are on the top floor. And here you can see the washroom. Now we have entered into another bedroom on the second floor. The spacious bedroom, beautifully designed for the comfort of the residents. Here is the dressing area. And this is an attached washroom. So now we are moving towards the terrace. This is the way. And here you can see an open terrace of this villa. And now we are going back. Now we are moving downstairs. And now we are moving towards the basement area. So friends, this we have reached in the basement. Here you can see the spacious hall. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit enquiries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.